Looking to create an irresistible offer for your customers? Product bundles are a great way to sell multiple items together. Here's how you can set one up with Reactive Retail. Start by heading to the Admin panel. Choose Bundles from the eShop menu and click Create. Enter a title for your bundle and hit Apply. Upload an eye-catching image to represent the bundle. This could be a collage or a unique graphic showcasing what's included. Next, give your bundle a title. This will be the name your customers see. And don't forget to check the URL. It's auto-generated, but it can be customized if needed. Add a unique SKU to track inventory. Then craft a description highlighting the bundle's value. Here you can mention any special offers the bundle includes, as well as the benefits for your customers. Then, set the bundle price. To entice buyers, use a Compare To price that shows the combined cost of individual items. When you're ready, it's time to move to the next tab, Include Products. Click Add Products to include items from your inventory and set specific quantities for each. This ensures customers get the correct items in the right amounts. Once everything's set, mark it as published. Finally, save your changes. Your new product bundle is now ready to drive more sales and add value to your store. Pro tip: for quick customer access, generate a magic link. This is a special URL that lets them add the bundle straight to their cart with one click. And with that, your new bundle is now live on your storefront. You can preview it to ensure it looks exactly like you want it. Now you're all set. Creating a product on Reactive is easy, fast, and flexible. Give your customers a smooth shopping experience with these simple steps. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to reach out to us if you get stuck. We hope to see you on our next tutorial.